Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Nitelighter LED Pool Light 100 Watt. Nitelighter above-ground pool lights illuminate the water at night to double your entertainment time. It's quick and easy to install in just a few minutes. It doesn't require any drilling thanks to the mounting bracket and thumb wheel that quickly secure the light under the top ledge of steel wall pools. Plus, a 28-foot cord is included to allow you to place it exactly where needed. Features: 100 watt and 28-foot cord. Easy to install with mounting bracket and thumb wheel. Safe to use as the Nitelighter is ETL certified to UL standards. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.